Welcome back to another trade recap. In this trade recap, I made $1,401 in my funded account. So right now I am 1.2K away from passing my first funded account. Not going to put pressure on it, but I do think it'll happen, but we'll see. This trade was 3 RR, 1 to 3 RR. And yeah, we can just go ahead and go over it. Go ahead and clear the chart. That's not what I meant to do. Are we dead ass? Hold on. Okay, we are back. So, coming into the day, this is what I was looking at. We had expanded so far up overnight. This was FOMC. From there, we expanded so aggressively up. And overnight session, Asia, London, we continued to gap up and push up even higher. So what I wanted to see was a rebalance back to definitely this gap and probably this inefficiency as well. And with that, probably equilibrium being around here. So what I saw, this was before market open, we had a 15-minute change in the state of delivery. And measuring out the manipulation leg for standard deviation, we had lined up right around this gap. So this was a very strong point of interest for me, was this big gap. There was an SMT here. You can see that NQ took this high while ES did not, but this was before market open. This is probably a nice little short. I don't even know where you would take it, but a nice little short around here. I was looking for us to maybe retrace in, push off of it, and looking to get an entry in there. But instead, what we do when market opens is we just start displacing. Wait, hold on. Let me move this. We just start displacing down. No candles up, just straight. Oh. Okay. But there were huge candles down straight to fill this gap. So my extremely confident drawn liquidity was now taken and there was no chance of entry. You can see on the 1 minute time frame, we just got straight displacement down. But I still wanted to see us go lower. I still wanted to see us go to equilibrium. We hadn't yet rebalanced equilibrium, still available. We came into this like bigger 15-minute imbalance, 1 hour imbalance, but zooming in to the 1 minute time frame, I believe it was this. This is still a wide open 1 minute imbalance, and I'm pretty sure this one is where we put in equal lows. We didn't. Okay, maybe it wasn't that one. Oh, it was just this one. This wide open imbalance that we did not push all the way through. If we zoom across, hold on. Pull this across. We put in, I guess we did, but we put in like an equal low. And I wanted to see us expand lower, pretty much. I wanted to see us rebalance equilibrium and continue to fill that very large imbalance. So that was my bias. I was now waiting to either see us continue through or get a retrace up. And we started to retrace up finally. And if you look at ES, we were kind of diverging because ES was pulling up so aggressively while NQ was kind of holding below. So we didn't have a technical SMT because there was no highs that got swept on ES that didn't get swept on NQ, but we were still diverging in price. ES was pushing much higher into this while NQ was staying weaker. And I wanted to see lower. I still wanted to see lower. ES did not fill this gap completely, and this imbalance is still open, so I wanted to see us go lower. At this point, I see internal manipulation. Then we pull back one more time, push up, and here. This is exactly where I enter into my trade. 1 minute change in the state, inverse fair value gap, and I wanted to see a move down to equilibrium. Entered the position, put my limit order as soon as this candle closed, got filled on the next candle, And from there, we came up a little bit. I thought I might get stopped out, but I was going to re-enter if I got stopped out. So maybe if we did something like... Hold on. If we did something like this, pushed up, stopped me out, and then got another displacement leg, I would have just re-entered right here. Stop loss above, same target. But instead, what we do, we push off of it, we displace off of it, pull up again into this fair value gap, push off of it, and at this point, after this displacement, I put my stop loss basically to break even, and we get continuation down, pull up one more time, and finish through it, and we went down much farther. But that's my trade for the day. Beautiful trade. We can look at my journal. Look at my journal. I made 1.4K today. And pretty good month overall. This has been going really well. I'm really liking where I'm at in my trading right now. One more thing. This is tough because this day was a negative $720 day. And this was the trade that I took. This is where I got a little screwed. Okay. It was this trade. Price basically went to my take profit and stopped me out. I got stopped at break even there, but I lost my first trade on this. So I lost $620 on this trade. I re-entered and I would have made, hold on, I'm going to go back and show you where my position was and show you how much I would have made. It was right here. Oh wait, can't see the chart, hold on. It was right here. Why did it do that? Oh, hold on. It even continued through it on this chart. This chart, I literally, oh my gosh. I should have got filled. This is so tough. This is the exact trade I took. Didn't get filled here and end up getting stop loss. And I would have made... Let's see. Oh, I'm in replay mode. Hold on. Let me get out of replay mode. Zoom back again. I would have made 1%. Yeah, I would have made $1,173. So I would have canceled out the $720 I lost. Let's see. It's 1,173 minus 620, that's how much I lost. Let's say 650 because I took a break-even trade that got stopped in a small loss. I would have made $523 on that day. Right now, my account is at 51827. 51827, and then add the 720. Let's add the 650 that I lost. So I would have been at 52477, and then add the $500 I would have made on this day. I basically would have passed the account. So I mean, I should have passed my account today. But I didn't. You know what? It's unfortunate. I took 3 good trades. I won 2 of them. I can't even be mad about that trade that I lost. I mean, I didn't like the trade that I lost, but the one that I got stopped out on at break even, can't really be that mad about it. I took a good trade. I did the correct thing. I just got a little bit screwed. And today was a great day. Probably should have passed my account, but that's okay. You know what? I'm going to wait for the next good setup. I'm not going to try to force this account to be passed. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait until I see what I need to, and then I'm going to take the trade, and I may pass the account or I may get screwed again. And you know what? I'm going to be okay with that. So, very nice win today. Felt pretty good. I don't want it to feel too good because then I'll get emotional, but it did feel good to take a nice win after having a losing week last week. And we'll see if I take a trade tomorrow. Might just sit that one out because I took a good trade today, but we'll just have to see. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.